Hello, my fabulous viewers, and welcome back to the Tarot Love. Now, this is a general love reading for the sign of Gemini from 15th to 30th of April. Now, in this reading, I'm going to tell you about the current feelings of your partner, what are the intention towards you, and what action they are going to take. Also, the guidance and love oracle message. Please remember, this is a general love reading, so it may or may not resonate with all of you. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. And please check your sun, moon and rising. So before delaying, let's start. What is the love oracle message for the sign of Gemini? What is the love oracle message for the sign of Gemini, my love team? What is the love oracle message for the sign of Gemini? What does Gemini need to know about their love life, my love team? What is the love oracle message? Give me the love oracle message for the sign of Gemini. No, there are too many. Let's start once again. Give me the love oracle message for the sign of Gemini. What do they need to know? What do the Gemini need to know, my love team? Okay, Geminis, you have got the love oracle message, free yourself. Free yourself, which reads like it's time to take back control of your life. So the message for you is take back control of your life. There is some sort of freedom, separation. At the bottom of the deck, you've got the separation card. Okay, so that means that time apart from your partner is on the horizon. So there is separation between you two. Okay, this is the love oracle message for your partner. So your partner is separated and is in separation from you. आप दोनों अलग है, and the thing is कि both of you should there are some sort of issues which you people need to resolve first. So you need to free yourself. Now let's see what are the current feelings of the partner of Gemini. What are the current feelings? Okay, the current feelings is the Star, Upright, the Magician in the reverse and the Five of Wands. This is the current feelings, and what you can't see coming is Six of Pentacles. Upright, you have the Nine of Wands in the reverse and you have the King of Wands in the reverse at the bottom of the deck. So Gemini, आप लोगों के बीच में कुछ इश्यूज़ है, आप लोगों के बीच में इक्वल गिव एंड टेक के इश्यूज़ है, आपकी रिलेशनशिप बैलेंस नहीं है और आपका पार्टनर शायद गिव अप करना चाहता है बिकॉज शायद वो इस रिलेशनशिप को बैलेंस नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, या फिर जो आप उनसे चाहते हैं वो आपको वो नहीं दे सकते हैं बिकॉज कोई पर्सन ज़्यादा दे रहा है और कोई पर्सन कम दे रहा था इस रिश्ते में. दैट इज़ वाई देर इज़ डिसबैलेंस इन द रिलेशनशिप. दैट इज़ वाई आप लोग शायद अलग हुए. दिस इज़ द इशू बिटवीन यू टू पीपल. नाउ करेंटली they are undergoing conflict. There is conflict. Either उनके अंदर कुछ inner conflict चल रहा है, कुछ अंतर्द्वंद चल रहा है, and या फिर उनकी family में कुछ कुछ problems चल रही, issues चल रही है, and that is why वो जो करना चाहते हैं they are not able to do, or they are healing themselves. With the Star, it means that they are healing themselves. They are trying to balance themselves, और वो अपने future की ओर देख रहे हैं. They are planning their future. They are healing themselves. They are praying to God. They are meditating. Spiritually अपने आप को वो uplift करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. So this is the current feelings of your partner, that they are healing themselves. Spiritually connect करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. As you can see this cards, and they have some family issues to resolve. कुछ झगड़ा चल रहा है. Okay. Now let's see what are the intentions of the partner of Gemini. Sorry, I was about to say Taurus. Maybe आप लोग Taurus से डील करें. What is the intention, or what what action, or what are the intentions? Sorry, what is the intention for the partner of Gemini? What are the intentions, my love team? What are the intentions? Bottom of the deck, you have the 9 of swords, you have the 8 of swords, and you have the sun. तो दे आर आपके जो पार्टनर है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा जो है उनको एंग्जाइटी है, वो उस रात में सो नहीं पा रहे हैं, एक तरीके की मेंटल जेल में है और वो सोच रहे हैं कि उन्हें क्या करना है, कैसे ब्रेक थ्रू होने चाहिए, बिकॉज दे नो दैट यू गिव लॉट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस टू देम और दिस रिलेशनशिप इज़ अ वेरी हैप्पी रिलेशनशिप, लेकिन दे आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट टू डू, दैट इज़ वाई दे आर एंग्शियस और देयर इंटेंशंस इज़ दैट there are actually these are court cards, so there are 3 people, Queen of Wands, you have the Queen of Pentacles in the reverse and the King of Cups in the reverse. So intentions का मतलब है कि उनके ऐसे तो कोई भी intentions नहीं है क्योंकि वो अपने ही लाइफ में कुछ conflicts undergo कर रहे हैं and there are 3 people involved, maybe a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Leo, Sagittarius, Aries or Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. So I think they are already so much involved in their own life. They are facing issues in their own lives. They are surrounded by family members और कुछ उनके आसपास ऐसे लोग हैं जिसकी वजह से वो कुछ कर नहीं पा रहे हैं. So actually they are just blank. They are just in the head. 8 of Swords मतलब they are in a mental jail. They are in the head. They are not able to take any action. So let's see what's coming towards Gemini. What action will the partner of Gemini take? What action will the partner of Gemini take? Let's see. What is coming towards Gemini in the next 15 days? Okay, Gemini, you've got the Ace of Pentacles in the reverse, the Sun in the reverse, and the 9 of Swords in the reverse. So it seems that they are not going to take any action. Because bottom of the deck you have the King of Swords. So they will remain cold, detached, and they will remain in the head. वो mentally सोचते ज़्यादा हैं और detached रहेंगे. Though they want to offer some kind of apology, but it is a very small offer and somebody is asking for truth. लेकिन कोई सच चाहता है, maybe you want the truth. That is why they are not going to take any action. There is a missed opportunity here. Opportunity है बहुत बड़ी, but they are not able to see. They are not able to see that there is a very big potential. आप दोनों के बीच में काफ़ी अच्छा potential है, but they are not able to see because the sun is in the reverse. So they are not able to see clearly what action they should take, and they are only going to try to work on themselves. They are going to resolve their family issues, or maybe they'll come out of anxiety and all. So this is what the message is. That is why you've got the free yourself and you've got bottom separation. So that is why you two people are separated. Now what is the guidance for you, Gemini? What is the guidance for Gemini, my love team? What is the guidance for Gemini? You have got the Hanged Man in the reverse, you've got the 4 of Cups upright, and you've got the 3 of Swords. ओके जेमिनाई, तो आपके लिए गाइडेंस ये है कि आप लोग इस हार्ट ब्रेक से बाहर निकलें और आप अपने पर्सपेक्टिव को बदल लें और एक्शन लें एंड ट्राई टू सी अदर ऑप्शंस इन योर लाइफ. डोंट डिपेंड ऑन दिस ऑप्शन बिकॉज आप लोग सेपरेशन में हैं और इसमें कोई फ्यूचर भी ऐसा नहीं दिख रहा है. बिकॉज एट द बॉटम ऑफ द डेक यू हैव गॉट द 10 ऑफ पेंटिकल्स इन द रिवर्स, यू हैव गॉट द 2 ऑफ सॉर्ड्स एंड यू हैव गॉट द 6 ऑफ पेंटिकल्स. सो यहाँ पे इक्वल गिव एंड टेक नहीं है इस रिश्ते में. So that is why you are very disappointed and heartbroken. So the universe is asking you to come out of this heartbreak, to come out of this disappointment. There are other options, explore other options and take action. अपने ही ज़िंदगी में आप मतलब जो आपको रोज़ काम करना है, जो भी आपके इश्यूज़ हैं या अपना काम है उस पर ही कॉन्सेंट्रेट करें, अपने ऊपर कॉन्सेंट्रेट करें एंड डोंट बॉदर अबाउट दिस all these things because there are lot many issues. You could be dealing with the Aquarius is very strong, then you have the Gemini as well, Leo is also very strong, and Pisces. So signs don't matter, but I am just telling you. So this is what I have for you, Gemini. So see you next time. I hope it helped. See you then next time. Bye bye.